see يا شباب. We will see files without lists today. Next time when we see lists and strings, there is a better way to handle text in files. صح ولا لا? But we need to learn all these things. تمام. طيب. Write a program that asks the user to enter 10 names and store them in a file. 10 names. Name the file. Names txt. Store each name is in a separate line. Very simple, straightforward. So here, what the user needs to do, okay, create a file. So let us do file1.python. Is this a good name? Come on. So we need first to open a file, صح? So can I say file open? Right. The question did not specify if the file exists or not. Names.txt. Ahmed says use append, he says. Append is fine. In this example, append is fine. Maybe there is already a file. If you do W, which is right, what's going to happen? It will delete it. So now, خلاص, this is a for loop now. For I in range 10. 10 names, had names. Name is equal to input, what? Enter a name, that's it. Enter a, okay, أو خلاص, name, تمام, that's it. Now what to do with the name now? F dot, write, name بس, ولا لازم نحط معها ايش؟ /n to be in the, no, to be in a separate line. If you don't, let us do it without this, تمام? If you don't put /n, what's going to happen? All the names will be written in one line. تمام. And finally, file dot what? بس خلصنا, done, by the way. Close when you study operating system and how you know that. Okay, opening resources, otherwise things will be open. If anyone else is using it and you are still opening it, your program opening it, you will end up with having, you try to rename an open file, what's going to happen? That's it. Tamam. Just let's try this. We will do read next. We will do read next. Yes, everything. Yeah. So now, okay, this file will be created in which folder, ya shabab? The current folder. Okay. Ali. Okay. Saleh. Okay. Omar. Wardan. When Wardan? مش هون. Ahmed. Ahmed. Abdullah. Faisal. Ziad. Ammar. Muaz. Do you see what do you see here? How many names inside it? 10 names. That's خلاص. That's it. Mission accomplished. Now the next question is the opposite. Reading names from. Okay. Write a program that read all names. Remove the new line character before you print them. Remember, when you store the names, we added to each name what? A new line. تمام. طيب. I will create the second question here. File.2. File2.python. Okay. File. Now what's the difference? Open. Names. Names. TXT. Now which mode? Read mode. طيب. Are we going to do any mathematical calculations here? It's easy then. صح ولا لا؟ It's easy then. صح ولا لا? Right? طيب شوفوا معي. 4 line in F. Do you think this is going to work? Line what? Is equal to what? Line dot R strip backslash what? Print line. This is one way of doing it. تمام? And finally, let us close the file. Is this going to work? Let's see. Finally, close the file. Run. Perfect. This is the easiest way to work with a file. But usually this is useful if you want to read all the lines. But no processing of the data. See? Python, you know, Python الأصل في الأشياء اللي باحة فيها. صح ولا لا؟ ما لم يرد بطلان أو تحريم، صح ولا لا؟ You cannot do this in many other languages, right? ماشي؟ So here, that's it. If you're not processing, but if it's a list and you need to split and sometimes you are not working with lines and sometimes you need counters and you need to calculate. Here, when you use this, can you have a counter? Do you know what's the line number here? Do you know if this is, you get my point? صح ولا لا, right? This is the easiest way. طيب. Let us do it in another way, using for loop برضو. Again, we will open it again here. صح ولا لا? Now, what do you want to do? Tell me. Someone suggested something, صح? No, with for still. We said you can read, let's say data is equal to f dot. في عنا ايش كان عنا؟ في عنا read, صح؟ Read what's read will be one string. So can I say read what? Read what? Lines. It will read all the lines together. صح ولا لا? Can I say for line in what? In data. Let's see if this is gonna work. Twice. صح ولا لا? طيب two. يعني okay. Saleh is saying يعني this is Photoshop. It was the first one. I'm commenting what? The first one. We are expecting what? Is this what we needed? صح ولا لا? Right يا شباب. طيب. So we did read lines. We'll read all the lines together. Actually, read lines will return, Now كبرتوا انتوا. Read lines will will return what? Will return what? Alice. طيب احنا we don't care. Now we will do this now. We did it using while loop and we did it using for loop without even doing anything. In the first way, Python will read all the lines to you. ماشي الحال؟ طيب خلاص تمام. Can we do a while loop? With while loop, let's now do what? Control. We don't. With while loop, again, I want to open the file. صح ولا لا? طيب. Then while loop, we need to read line by line. صح ولا لا? طيب. See, line is equal to f dot read line. F dot read line. One line. This one will return the line. While what? Line is not equal empty. Keep doing this. Can I say line is equal to? طبعا I could have done this using one double kick here. Dot what? R strip. Does that make sense يا شباب? Okay. And here just على طول what? Print what? Line. What to do next in the while loop? Read the next line. So this will, remember, this is a sentinel loop. صح ولا لا, right? You do it once before the loop. You continue until no more. What's the last step in the loop here? Okay, let's see the same output. Are we getting the same output? Yes or no? Let's hopefully. Excellent. Tamam. Now, let's go to the next question. Yeah, go ahead. Ask your question. It depends on the question. And if the question tells you, maybe if I'm testing you on exceptions, tamam? If I'm testing you and the part of the exam is exceptions, yes. But later when you program Java, you always need to use try, catch, and these. Sometimes the code does not work. There are two types of exceptions when you program in other languages. In Java, there are some exceptions, checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. So get used to doing it the right way from today. If you start driving recklessly, like some of our friends here, you will keep driving the same way until you go to Abu Hamur, right? صح ولا لا؟ مظبوط. ماشي الحال. So it's try to learn programming the right way. ماشي الحال. Let's go to the next question. Okay. Store numeric values. What's the new thing here? Write a program that read names. في واحدة غلط. Okay. Store numeric values in a file. Write a program that writes all numbers. There is something wrong in the question here, يا شباب. That stores numbers from 1 to 100 in a file in okay in a file. تمام. بس we need to store numbers from what؟ ماشي الحال؟ تمام. First way we need to store values from what؟ Okay. The only new thing here, when you work with numeric values, what you need to use? Can you write numbers directly to a file? No. طيب, what's the file name? File.open. What? Numbers, صح? Numbers txt. Now it's clearly we will be right mode. تمام. طيب بس خلصنا by the way. We need to write numbers from 1 to 100 in the file. For I in range 1 to 101 maybe. صح ولا لا? Right? طيب. Can I say file.write and then say stri? You cannot write a number directly. You need to convert it. Plus what? By the way, خلصنا احنا done. F dot what? Close. So we did the first part here, which is what? Doing it. So here do you have file called numbers? What is it? What do you see in it? Numbers from. So we are done. تمام. Very simple. يا ريت كل امتحانات هيك صح ولا لا? Right? تمام. Now they need us find and print the sum here in the next one maybe. Okay. Here. Write a program that stores number. عرفت وين الغلط كان؟ Okay. Okay. Store each number in a separate line. So this was the first question, by the way. Okay. يعني أنا I only the title. The title was what? The title was wrong. Let me just repeat it and make sure it's thing. I'm trying. بس خلص ما بقول لي ماكو تمام. No problem. Now we need to read the numbers and find their what? Their sum and what? An average. تمام. So we will do it in a separate file. File.com for .python. We need to open the file. So F is equal to open. What's the file name? Numbers.txt. What mode? Definitely is going to be what? Read. Type. Now, can we use for loop or while loop? You know you can use both of them. صح? طيب. What? I can say data is equal, for example, to f.readLines. صح ولا لا? Right? Read what? Lines. All of them. Now for line in what? In data. صح? Yeah. احنا we say how we go line by line now. صح ولا لا؟ طيب, do I need to do this by the way? No need. Can I say for line in F? تمام, صح ولا لا؟ But now I need to convert it, صح? N is equal to what? لا. Integer dot what? Integer dot what? And to be in the safe side, what? R strip backslash N. تمام. So now N is what? Integer, because when you read N it will be what? A string. طيب. هنا صديقنا عبد الله قال لازم نقول له sum is equal to what? طب وإذا بدنا average لازم نقول له كمان count is equal to what? طيب يلا. Then what? Count plus equal what? Sum plus equal N. صح ولا لا? Right? وبس خلصنا. This is the fastest way, Print sum. Okay. And here we say what? Sum. And I need to calculate the average. Let me say AVG is equal to sum divided by what? Count and print AVG is equal to AVG. Let's run on this. Sum is 50-50, which I know it's correct. Tamam. And see how simple is this? If you work with lines, it's very simple. It's very, very simple. You can use while loop. Tamam. Okay. If you want while loop, here we will do it with while loop. Tamam. وين؟ ما هو احنا لسه ما حكينا عن lists هون صح ولا لا؟ خلينا let us do it what here? Sorry. I will do now the same code, sorry. I will do the same code using what? Using while loop. But let me first comment this. And here Some, okay. With while loop, you need to read one line. صح ولا لا? Okay. F dot what? Read line. One line. تمام. طيب. هلا your while loop will be what? While what? Line is not equal to empty string. Okay. Now we convert the line. صح? We count. But in while again, we need to do what at the end? Read again. Let us see how many. It took less than a minute. صح ولا لا? Same results. Yes or no? So I'll keep both solutions for you so you know how these techniques work. ماشي الحال يا شباب. Good. Excellent. So now we did what? We did numbers and we did what? Okay. طيب. Now reading values from a file. Write a program. We did this. Right. Okay. Now sending what? Contents from what? To another file. What's the question? Write a program that reads all numbers from one. Okay. We did this. Store the odd values in a file called what? And the even ones in what? Well, this is again very simple. Yeah. With or without function. تمام. يعني we did it with function maybe in one exam. صح ولا لا? So, but let me copy paste this code. File come 5.python. Okay. So let us, I will copy the code I did what before here. تمام. I will copy the code I did before here. This one will open everything. What's the new thing here? قولوا لي. We need to just one missing line. صح ولا لا here? Control C here. We need. Now, if the number is odd, we need to store it where? بس خلاص ها. طب خليكم معنا. F dot F odd. تمام. F odd equals to what? Open odd txt. It's safe here to use W حتى. طيب F even equals what? Open even dot txt and again W mode, right mode. بس خلاص. No need for count, no need for average here. Read line. هلا here. What? If what? بس خلصنا. If n modulus 2 is equal 1, then what? F, sorry, F, which file? F odd dot write. صح ولا لا? Write طبعا you know str. صح ولا لا? And plus what? Plus a new line. else معناش الاحتمال تاني ما احنا صح ولا لا؟ هون بس بدي اغير ايش عنا؟ الستريم. Which file to write it to? بس خلصنا. Done. Write it to F even. And finally, make sure you close what? Okay. F dot close. Okay. طلبته. F odd dot close. تمام. طلبت الفاليو صح؟ هيو read line شايفه؟ F even dot close. تمام. I need to read data from it. اوكي. هلا numbers txt ممكن يكون في ارقام غير اللي انت عارفهم. فاهم علي؟ غيرنا عليه. معي انت؟ فاهم علي؟ يعني انت بتقول انك حافظهم بس ممكن هاي في ارقام ثانيه. شوف معي. اوكي تمام. يلا سكرنا هون. سيف. رن. يلا رن فايل نمبر 5. لازم اوكي. What should I get now here? Let us see the output. عندنا what? Odds. وين even? هاي even. Let's see the even. All are even amigos. All are even صح؟ تمام. والodd all are what? All are odd. Does that make sense يا شباب? So we could read data from one file and sending it to another file.